A queue change enters relay. Codex gets an isolated work tree, exact acceptance criteria, and an evidence record before anyone claims the task is done. GPT-5.6 returns an exact developer comment. Q-sort line 9 uses a randomized hash, so equal priority work can reorder across processes. Relay holds at 32. Codex replaces the hash with the original source index and adds a 3-item tie regression test. Both blocking comments receive an audited resolution. The same verified task now scores ship 96. Relay recommends release, but a human still decides whether to merge or deploy. Codex builds, evidence ships.